Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming week. Now, obviously, we're going to start off with DXY, the US dollar currency index. Now, we can see prices have been very bullish after ranging here for years. Prices finally managed to break above this structure. And most definitely, prices are going to keep on pumping higher. Now, as you remember, since last month, I told you guys prices are most likely to retrace to this structure and then pumping higher. Now, we see prices have already retraced. And I don't believe there is a big chance for prices to break below this low, because obviously you see how many times it was rejected. It's a very strong structure. Now prices have managed to break above that. So I do believe prices will keep on pumping higher. Now, if we come to the lower time frames, we see on the daily, let me make this one visible only on the weekly. So we see on the daily, prices are on this market structure right here. And I do believe this structure will hold. Now, where am I anticipating to see prices keep on pumping from here? Obviously, it's on the upside, right? However, prices might range a while because you see prices were also rejected up here and then failed to break this low, which also correlates with the weekly support structure. So prices have two options, most likely range until they find the bullish momentum to buy, the bullish volume to buy, or then just go ahead and take off. Now, for me to be very secure with where I'm taking my trades, I will want to see prices break above this 4-hour structure right here. I want to see prices come above here, give us a retest. That's when we know it's on. So my entries will be somewhere here. Now, how will this be impacting the other currency pairs with the US dollar in them? We do have Euro USD, the most volatile of them all. Not volatile, but the one that has the most volume. And we can see prices in this pair are already bearish, as we had a high, we had a low, we had a lower high, lower low. So we are already in a bearish trend in this currency pair. So I will anticipate to see some kind of a retracement on this structure before we continue going lower. We do have GBP USD. Prices are still in a range. For me to take any trades, I'll have to see prices first break below here, give us a retest, and then we continue. We do have gold, which is independent. So let's go to USD JPY. Or not USD JPY at the moment. Let's look at JPYX. How is it playing? How is it performing? Now, once we look at it from the daily perspective, we can see prices are crazy bullish, and they are now in a significant market structure, a very strong resistance structure, if you will. And you can see on Friday, prices closed with some kind of a doji. So from here, I'm anticipating to see prices retrace until at least here. But I want to see a retracement because this is a very strong structure. And you can see all the times once prices tap that, boom, tap that, boom, tap that, I anticipate to see some kind of rejection until at least somewhere here on this structure. Now, if we go to the lower time frames, we can see prices are still bullish. That's where the question comes. What do we do? We have to wait. We have to be patient until prices change the trend and create a lower low. And then once it creates a lower low, we'll have to look for some kind of a structure here for prices to give us a lower high, right? For prices to give us a lower high, and then we take the trade for us to swing low. Now, how will this be impacting the other pairs? Obviously, we do see USD JPY prices are now kind of in a downtrend because JPYX was obviously buying. However, for us to take a trade in this, I want to see prices break above this high and if to be more secure, above this high. And then after that, we look for a retracement. And then from the retracement is where we actually buy and take our trade for prices to keep on pumping higher until prices tap, take profit, or wherever we'll be aiming for. Now, we do also have CAD Euro JPY. With Euro JPY, okay, we took this trade last week. I didn't post it in the free group. We took it in the VIP. Prices hit 3R. Nowadays, we're just aiming for 1/3. You can see it was a beautiful trade with 178. Now, that already hit, but the trend is already bearish, but I'm looking for a reversal. So obviously, I want to see prices break above that, and then maybe come and retest before we look for bullish continuations. So that's my view. That's my bias. I'm not looking for any more sells. I'm looking for buys now. And CAD JPY, same thing, same thing. CAD JPY, same thing, same thing. I'm looking for buys. Prices are now on this structure. With CAD JPY, prices never broke below this. So right now, I'll be looking for just some kind of a bullish pattern before we take a trade, because prices are already on a support structure. And that's what I'm anticipating. That's what I'm looking for in these pairs, if you will. Now, let's look at gold. FX Open, I'm not sure if I already used this one. No. So if you look at it from the daily, we can see gold is crazy bullish, crazy bullish, breaking high after high, creating higher lows and higher highs. This was the most recent high that was significant, that was broken. What I'll be looking for is a retracement. As you can see, prices have already lost momentum before we continue going higher. So that's my view on the currency pairs I have for this coming week. If you found value in them, give us a like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share with a few friends that you believe will find value in these breakdowns. Till next time, guys. Appreciate you all. Take it easy out there. Peace.